case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1986, the Nebraska Supreme Court heard the case of Boisen v. Petersen Flying Service, Inc., which centered around the validity of a non-compete clause in an employment contract. The court ultimately determined that such a clause is only enforceable if it is reasonably necessary to protect the employer's legitimate interests, such as preventing the employee from using confidential information or relationships with customers acquired during their employment to unfairly compete with the employer. Douglas Boisen, an employee of Petersen Flying Service, Inc., signed an employment contract that included a non-compete clause. This clause prohibited Boisen from working for any competing business within a 50-mile radius for a period of 10 years. Boisen challenged the validity of the clause, arguing that it was unreasonable. With no disputed facts in the contract, the interpretation of the contract became a question of law. The District Court for Kearney County ultimately declared the post-employment restraint unenforceable, affirming Boisen's request. Petersen Flying then appealed the decision, contending that the clause was necessary to protect their legitimate business interests. The Nebraska Supreme Court held that the District Court's decision was affirmed, finding that modifying a covenant that is too broad would still impose restrictions on ordinary competition. As a result, the covenant not to compete was deemed unenforceable, and the District Court's decision was upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.